In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with HubSpot. This simple walkthrough will help you connect these two powerful platforms so you can streamline your workflow, improve coordination, and keep your tasks and customer data aligned in one smooth process. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once the page loads, look for the login option, which is usually located at the top of the screen. Click on it and sign in to your account using your credentials. If you ever run into issues accessing your account, you can use the password recovery option to reset your login details and continue. After signing in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. From here, locate the marketplace icon. This is typically represented by a small shopping bag symbol and serves as your gateway to HubSpot's integrations. Click on it to explore the available apps that can extend the platform's functionality. Once you're inside the marketplace, navigate to the App section. This area contains a wide range of integrations that you can browse or search through. To save time, use the search bar and type in Asana. As you enter the name, relevant results will appear, helping you quickly locate the integration you need. When you see Asana in the search results, click on it to open its dedicated application page. This page provides an overview of what the integration can do, including how it connects your tasks and workflows between both platforms. Taking a moment to review this information can help you better understand the value it brings to your setup. When you're ready to proceed, look for the option to add the app. Clicking this will begin the installation process. You may be prompted to grant certain permissions so that HubSpot and Asana can communicate effectively. Follow the instructions on the screen and approve any required access to complete the connection. Once the setup is finished, your integration will be active. This means you can now manage tasks and workflows more efficiently by linking your project management activities with your customer data and business processes. With Asana and HubSpot working together, you'll reduce manual work, improve visibility across teams, and create a more connected system for managing your projects and operations. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.